Welcome to all. Today we are starting a new series of lectures, how to learn properly. Normally what we have seen that many times students are unable to learn properly, and they face, in spite of many of the efforts, they are unable to score well. So we will giving you some tips how to learn better. So this is one of the social objective from the point of view of the students who are unable to work better, how they should learn. So the learning is dependent on the management of memory. So how to use your memory effectively, that is most important when we talk on this topic. As it is well aware of now, it is scientifically proved that brain has two portions, left portion and right portion. Left portion is responsible for logical thinking, whereas right portion is there for emotional kind of thinking. And a balanced approach, if you can take a synchronized working of right and left brain, then your memory improves. Now how we can do it, we'll give you very simple tips. The first and foremost most thing is that everything, most of the part you see in our organs in our body are two parts. So we have to synchronize the working of our two organs, like two eyes, two nostrils, exercise like Anulom Vilom. It increase synchronization of our brain, left and right brain. So this is first and foremost very simple technique which improves the memory. So if a student who is unable to remember anything what they learn and they are facing problem, the first and foremost thing they can start very easily, that they can go for an exercise of Anulom Vilom. How to do it? It's very simple. You can follow the various videos. I'll tell you how to do it. You take breathing from one nostril and release it from other, then take from other and then release from first, like this. So you have to do this at least 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes in the evening. And even I recommend, if you feel like that you are not getting the things or not remembering the thing, you can do it in between. Anytime you can do it, right? So I hope this tip is very useful for the students, and I expect you to implement it and give the feedback. This is not for only students, anyone who is facing the problem of memory and feel like that they are not able to concentrate properly or their memory is not working properly, they can start doing this immediately and try to share your results within 4 or 5 days on my channel. Thank you all for listening to me. Such kind of tips will keep on giving in future. Thank you.